Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about the crazy drama behind this bathroom makeover. It just literally felt like it was one thing after the next. It went from, okay, I'm just going to paint the bathroom, to lots of little hiccups that made the process a little stressful. So in today's video, you're going to see the behind the scenes on everything it took to redo the bathroom. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, that way you'll be notified when my bathroom makeover post. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Mizfashionablylate, that way you can see some photos of my house, cute outfits, and I post on my story all the time, so you'll see the ins and outs of my daily life. So I'm done talking, guys. Let's get straight into the video.
It's Sunday morning. You wake up to a panicked child who's saying, "Mommy, the roof is leaking." And indeed, the roof actually was. So after getting the roof repaired, I decided to go ahead and paint and redo the bathroom.
So first things first, I had to remove all of my stuff out of the bathroom. Okay guys, so I knew I wanted to paint. I hate painting and I didn't want to spend money on paint. So the first thing I did was I went to go look in my front hall closet and I found a gallon of white semi-gloss and I found a gallon of toasted white. And I don't even know why I had a whole gallon of toasted white. Nothing else in my house is painted this color, but I was so happy to find it, and that's the color I chose to go with for the bathroom. I absolutely hate painting. It is like my least favorite thing to do, but the bathroom desperately needed a new coat of paint. So I picked up some supplies from the Dollar Tree. I got a paint tray, a roller, the roller pad, and a brush. And it took me about 3 days to paint the bathroom. So I wanted to go with this lighter gray color because I felt like the other gray was a little bit too dark. And I wanted my bathroom to feel relaxing and spa-like. So I knew a lighter color paint was needed. So one thing I knew I had to address were these ugly rusted heating and air vent and my exhaust fan covers. They were so rusted and just yellowed over time. So I went ahead and spray painted them. I used this Krylon Specialty Lacquer because I knew it was going to have a hard, durable finish. And so this is the final result. You see how nice and bright and white it looks. So I'm really happy that I went ahead and painted them. So the next day I woke up bright and early and started taping off the ceiling with this blue painter's tape. I got it from Walmart. This is a very important step because last time I painted the bathroom I did not use painter's tape and I ended up getting gray paint all along the ceiling and it looked super tacky and I hated staring at it every single day. So I was like, you know what, this time I'm gonna do this the right way. Yes, it's very tedious to tape off the walls, but the end result is oh so pretty. Originally, the person who flipped my house before I bought it painted the bathroom ceiling with flat paint. And so that's why over the years I've had so much damage to the ceiling. So to rectify that, I had my friend come over, mud the ceiling, smooth out all the imperfections, and then now I'm just painting over it with a white semi-gloss. So guys, I know that this ugly lighting in here is making me look really orange right now, but let me see, I'm gonna turn this on. Okay guys, so I'm so excited right now because the bathroom is just looking so freaking bright. Like, it's super bright in here and I wanted the space to just feel a lot brighter, so I'm really happy that I went with this lighter gray. So I just have to finish touching up the ceiling. So after day 2 of painting, my packages from Amazon started to arrive. The thing I was most excited about were these Tic Tac tiles. I saw so many good reviews about them on Amazon and YouTube. So I went ahead and did an install around the bathroom sink just to give it more interest and make it look a little more fancy. If you want to see my full review and install, you can click the card above to check out that video. They were super easy to install. The only thing is that the directions say not to install over fresh paint. You have to wait 3 weeks in order to install them, and I was not going to do that, so I went ahead and took a sander to kind of make the surface a little more rough so that the tiles would adhere. So next I just lightly dusted to remove any leftover particles. I didn't want to mess up the adhesion at all with these tiles. Guys, I literally got paint everywhere, so like the entire cleanup was just a mess. I had paint on the floor, paint on the counter, paint on the fixtures. There's paint everywhere. So after cleaning that up, I just kind of cut the tiles to size. The packs only come 5 in a pack. I really needed 6. So I think I did a good job of making them stretch, and I'm really happy with the way they turned out. And I can't wait to show you guys the full bathroom review. I will post that video this week. But for now, this is all you get to see. So I've always hated this light fixture. It's just super basic. It's like the standard builder one that every builder puts into any house, and it just has no personality. Plus, because I had so many issues with moisture in my bathroom, the light fixture just has rusted over time. So I decided to take a sponge and some cleaner to kind of get the rust off. I wanted it to look nice and pretty. But what I soon discovered is that some of this rust was just here to stay. And so it's unfortunate. I was going to buy a new light fixture, but to stay on budget, I was like, you know what, I really have to figure something else out, because replacing this light fixture right now is just simply not an option. So I scrubbed, and you guessed it, most of the rust came off, but there was still some left. So I did what I know how to do best, and that is to spray paint it. I used Rust-Oleum's metallic bright silver spray paint. It turned out really nice. And then I went to Lowe's and I saw that they had all these different globes that I could choose from, and I really wanted these, but they were $22.98 each, and that was just a hell no, because at that price I could probably buy a new light fixture, especially on Amazon. So I ended up choosing these seated glass light globes. They were only $5.98 each, and I really think they made the light fixture look a lot cleaner and more modern, and it also gave it more of a custom look. It allows the light to really shine in the bathroom. And I replaced the light bulbs with these bulbs from Amazon. Came 4 in a pack. I believe they were $20. It was so worth it, guys. The first light bulbs had like a warm glow, and I hated that. So I took that little code off the bottom of the light, typed it into Amazon, and I was able to find these daylight bulbs. So it gives it like a cooler, more bright appearance in my bathroom, which is perfect for filming. So I also spray painted whatever this is. It was so gunky and gross. So I used the same Rust-Oleum spray paint. I got a little spray paint happy on this project, and I also decided to paint the shelf brackets as well. I was kind of sick of the gold, and I didn't want to mix metals in the bathroom, so I went ahead and gave these a new coat of paint. These are from IKEA, and they were only 75 cents each. So they were such a steal. Y'all know that I love to DIY, and when I saw these in the Dollar Tree, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and DIY my toothbrush holder and also the soap dispenser. And so I used the same spray paint also for the vase as well. I spray painted them silver, and they look so great in the bathroom. I really can't wait to show you guys this DIY. And also, guys, all of the stuff that I talked about that I got from Amazon, it is linked on my Amazon affiliate store. The link is down in the description box. You can just click it and easily shop all of the products that I talked about in today's video. The light bulbs, the spray paint, the little spray gun top I have on top of the spray paint, all of that is listed on my Amazon store, so go check it out. So this is where I messed up, and I knew I was dead wrong for this. I did not have a stud finder. So when I went to go hang these shelves back up, I noticed that the brackets weren't secure, but I was really going to try to rock with it anyway. So guys, the shelf ended up falling and breaking the toilet. Which led to me doing an unintentional DIY toilet repair. I just posted that video so you guys can check it out. I put it in the cards above. So it was really simple and easy to change, and in the video I go into detail telling you guys how to change your own toilet handle. So it was a $6 fix, but I wish that I would have just bought wall anchors ahead of time. It just would have saved me an additional trip to the store. So the proper way to hang shelves, if you don't know where the stud is on the wall, is just to get these drywall anchors. I got the kind that didn't need a drill, so literally I just took the screwdriver, I pressed them into the wall and screwed until they were secure, and then I was able to fix the shelf on the wall, and it's literally not going anywhere. So after repairing the toilet situation, I started to work on this DIY. This DIY I was super excited to make because I actually saw flowers like this at Tuesday morning and they were $29.99, and I was like, oh hell no, I can make this. So I got diamond bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. The vase came from Dollar Tree. The hot glue sticks even came from Dollar Tree. And then I ordered these beautiful flowers from Amazon. I really wanted some white roses for my bathroom. Although these come off a little cream, I'm still really satisfied with them. They look super realistic. And of course, I love Amazon Prime because everything comes in 2 days. So being able to order them from Amazon actually saved me a lot of time because I didn't have to drive from store to store looking for white roses. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you truly enjoyed it. I worked really hard on this room, guys. I did it all very affordably. A lot of the things that you see in the bathroom actually came from Amazon. So anytime you hear me talk about Amazon on my channel, always check the description box because there's a link to my Amazon affiliate store. So all of the products that I talk about that I love and that I personally use are listed on that store. You click the link, you go to the store, and you can find all the products very easy. The next video that I post, guys, will be my bathroom makeover. I'm so excited to show you all. So make sure you're subscribed. That way you'll be notified when it posts. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.